Hello students, I know you all liked my previous video. Today I am here with one more trick which will help you to multiply. Let's begin. I know you all have your own tricks, but my motto is to give you something more which will help you. In this video, I will tell you how to multiply two digits numbers which have same tens place digits and units place sum is 10. Let us begin. If I give you number 23 multiply by 27. How will you multiply? By the normal method, you will multiply 7 3s are, 7 2s are, then you will do 2 3s are, 2 2s are, and then you will add. You will do with 3 steps, right? Now here I am showing you a way of doing it fast. Now first we'll do step 1. In this case, we have to first see the tens place, which digit is there, multiply that digit with its next number, which is 2's next number is 3. So multiply 2 into 3 is 6. Now let us do step 2. Here you have to observe unit place, which is 3 and 7 multiply. 3 into 7 is 21. Write this 21 here. Place. So this is the answer for 23 multiplied by 27 is to 621. Let us take another example. This is number 1, number 2. If I am taking 64 multiplied by 66. What is the first step? Take 6, next number of 6 is 7. Multiply 6 into 7, which is multiply 6 into 7 is 42. Then go to the unit place, 4 and 6. Multiply 4 into 6. How much? 24. This is our answer. Let us take another example. 3. If I am taking 72 multiplied by 78. What is the first step say? See the tens place, 7. Next to 7 is 8. So multiply. Then see the unit place, 2 into 8, which is 2 into 8. Here you will get 7, next 7 8s are 56, 2 8s are 16. This is our answer. Okay. Now, as I told you before, this you can see all these 3 examples. If I ask you, observe all 3 examples. In 3 examples, you can see the tens place here, which is the tens place. In this is the tens place. You can see both numbers have same tens place, and in this case, these both numbers are similar. In this case, these both numbers are 7 and 7. So this trick can be possible only when both the numbers having same tens numbers. The second condition for this trick is you should see the unit place. The unit place you can see 3 and 7. What is the total of 3 and 7? Is 10. In this second condition is total of units place should be 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. See in this example, 8 plus 2 is 10. So here everywhere, if I am adding these two numbers, I get 10. Here 4 and 6 I get 10. So in this trick, you should observe that if there is the given numbers are having common tens digits and the unit place, the total is 10, then only use this trick. Now let us see one more example. Number 4. Now you are familiar with the example. Now see, if I am giving here 63 and 6 possible? These both the numbers, these 6 are common. Tens place numbers are common. But when you see when you see this is correct. When you go to this 6 plus 3, it becomes 9. So here I cannot use this trick. Okay, children. Let us take another example. 69 and 61. See here 6 and 6 are common, digits are common, tens digits are common, and the unit place 9 plus 1 is 10. So we can apply this trick for this question. Now let us multiply, let us take the next number of 6 is 7. So 6 sevens are 42. 42. And 9 into 1, 9 ones are 9. Now see here, if I am writing this 69 into 61, this answer is wrong. Okay, this answer is wrong. Why this answer is wrong? You have to keep it in mind. When there are 4 digits multiplication, 69 2 digits and 61 2 digits. When you are multiplying 2 digits, your answer also should be in 4 digits. It should be in 4 digits. 4 digits. So whenever you get in the unit place multiplication, if you get in a single digit answer, you have to add there 1 0 to make it 4 digits. You have to take care of this here. When there is a multiplication of unit place answer is in 1 digit, you should add that 0 before this to make it 2 digits answer. So the 69 multiplied by 61 is, now this is correct. Let us see another way. Same trick. If you have a practice of writing 91 multiplied by 99. Now here which is the tens place? This and this is the tens place. According to our first rule, this 9 and this 9 tens place is common. So I can apply this. And then see the unit place. This is the unit place. 9 plus 1 is 10. So in this case I can apply this trick. So let us start doing. Which is the next number? 9. Next number is 10. So 9 tens are how much? 90. Right? Then now multiply 9 into 1 is 9. Now because this is a 1 digit, I will add here one more 0. So here is our answer is ready. If you are writing in this way, you can solve. This is the way. Now the second example. Let us take in second example. If it is 44 multiply by 46. 4 are common. This tens place is correct. And see the unit place 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6 is 10. So I can use my trick. So first I will say, see this 4 bigger number is, what is the next number to 4 is 5. So I will take here 4 5s are 20. And then I will see the unit place 6 and 4. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So I got the answer. So if I am showing you one more example, which is 117 multiplied by 113. Now see, even though it is a 3 digit, you can see this is the 11 and this 11 is common. And this 7 and plus 3 is how much? 10. So I can use it here also. So this 11 next number of 11 is 12. Now 11 12s are. And you have to take this 7 and 3. So 11 12s are. 12 ones are 12. Okay. 1 carry. 12 ones are 12 plus 1 13. So 11 12s are 132. 7 into 3 is how much? 21. So this is our answer. I hope you have understood the trick, and if you practice this, whenever you have to keep it in mind, whenever there is a tens place are common for both multiplications and the unit place is addition of those unit places 10. I hope you must have understood. Now let's revise. trick. You tell me your view about this episode like always. I shall be waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. There is lots more in upcoming videos. Stay tuned.